Welcome back to 8482 Media. Today I'm going to quickly show you guys how to print titles for Excel. So let's say you have 1,000 rows and you are printing maybe 50 pages. You want to be able to see the headings on top of each printed page. So all you're going to want to do is go up to page layout. So click on page layout, and then we're going to go on print titles right over here. Click on that. And now where it says rows to repeat at the top, we click on that option, and then we just want to select that top row with the titles. We're going to click on one. And we know that it has worked when we see the dollar column dollar. Click on enter. And now we just click OK. And now when you go on file, print, we can actually see that the titles will be printed on top, but for some reason you guys can't see because it's kind of zoomed out. But that's how you utilize the print titles options. If you guys have any questions, comment down below. Thank you guys for watching and have a great day.